Okay, and so here's a neat shape in the game of life called a glider.
Yeah.
And we're going to see why this is called a glider. And so we're going to probably have to mark some of the squares that become alive and some of them become dead again. Okay, so we got to go all the way around the boundary of this and then investigate what happens to all the dead squares. Now, what's the rule for dead squares?
Well, they can come alive if they have 3 live neighbors.
They can come alive if they have 3 live neighbors, and that's it. So as we go around the boundary, can you identify the ones that have 3 live neighbors so we can look and see what the dead squares are that come alive?
Well, this one comes alive. It has 3 live neighbors.
Which one?
This one in the center. Well,
This one here?
if it has, does it say exactly 3?
Yes, exactly 3.
But this one has more than. It has more than
How many does it have?
one. All of them are.
All of them. So does that come alive?
No.
No. Okay. Can you find one that has exactly 3 live neighbors?
This one here comes alive.
Okay. Alright, that's a dead one that comes alive. Okay. It's alright. We'll try not to fight with the boundary too much. It was a good idea to make a boundary, but it's coming unglued. Are there any more dead squares that have 3 live neighbors?
This one doesn't. It has 2.
Which one are you talking about? That one? That one just has 2. Okay.
This one has 2.
Okay.
This one has 1. 1. 1. We already checked that one. This one has exactly 3.
Which one?
This cell in the middle.
This cell right here. Ah, that comes alive. Do you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Are there any more that have exactly 3 live neighbors?
Well, we already checked the ones over here, and this one doesn't, and that one doesn't.
Okay. Alright, now let's check the white cells. Any live cell with fewer than 2 neighbors dies. Okay, so could you maybe pull out purples? So purples we'll use for live cells that go dead.
So fewer than 2?
Fewer than 2. So 1 or 0 neighbors, you die.
Well, this one only has 1 neighbor.
Which one?
So
That cell. Do you agree?
yeah, this only has that one. It'll die.
Okay.
Well, this one has 2. Wait, this one has more. This one has more. It has 3.
Okay, so this one has 3. So what happens to it?
I think that
It said 2 or 3 it'll live.
Okay, that one will live, so we don't need to do anything to that one. What about this one?
This
This one here.
This one has 2 neighbors.
Okay, so
it'll live.
it'll live. What about this one?
Well, that one has 4 neighbors, 3 neighbors.
3.
It'll live.
Yeah, what about this one?
That one has 1 live neighbor.
Okay.
It'll die.
What about that? Did we have anyone that had the other rule? Anyone with more than 3 live neighbors dies?
I don't
No.
think so.
I think they all had 2, 3, or 1.
Okay. So in the next generation of this, these ones die. The ones with the purple on top die. Can you lift those out carefully?
Maybe I'll take out the yellow first.
Okay.
But then this one comes alive,
That one comes alive,
and that one comes alive.
and that one comes alive. So we have this shape. So we transformed into this shape.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready to see what happens in the next generation?
Okay.
Alright.